Good evening, we are here today to explain you how to use the rotative oven. First of all, I'd like to tell you some information about rotative ovens in general. They are suggested for pizzerias or restaurants to have a very large number of people in a very short period of time, and they don't have very skilled staff. So this one is better because once you set everything from temperature to the rotation, everything will be very easy for the staff, even if it's not a pizzaiolo master, to manage and to have very well cooked pizzas. What is more, Valoriani ovens, the rotative model, is different from the others that you can find on the market for a different reason. First of all, it doesn't have additional burner inside or electrical coil. It just has the burner that you can see there and a small basket for wood. In addition to that, we have a patented system, which is the RHS recycling heating system. From that below over there, part of the heat from the oven is sucked in and then spit out from the bottom. Other characteristics of this oven are the refractory baking floor, which is made here in our factory and is in cotto refractario. All the floor that you can see there is cooked at 1600 degrees for 13 hours, and all the pieces can get easily inside and out from the oven mouth that you can see there, and it will be like a very fast and easy job, so you don't have to wait or spend a lot of money as some other ovens maker do. So is one big tile as a baking floor, or is in cement or concrete. Another thing is the burner, which is a very good one, is the best in the market, is a Spitfire burner. Inside you can see the wood box, where of course you can put the wood, and as you can notice, is not on the floor, is leaning on the floor, and this because you can have 100% of baking surface ready and usable for pizza. The dust and everything that inside the wood box and all the pieces or wood or residual from baking can get down, and they will go inside this box, as you can see. You can see now how to switch on the burner and the rotative floor. First of all, we start with the burner. We just switch on the general switch, and after this one we press this button here. The temperature is already high because we already warm up the oven. As you will see in a moment, there is this click and the flames goes on. Okay? Once you have everything, we set the temperature at 350 in automatic mode. So the oven will set everything accordingly. The other option that we have is here, and is for the rotative floor and the RHS system. We switch on the main power, and then again this one and this one. Here again, as you can see, the temperature is quite high because we already use it for some time. And here we set the temperature accordingly to what the chef of Marks & Spencer told us. Once everything is done, you can see that the floor is starting rotating, and by the way, the difference from the temperature there, checked on the burner, and inside is between 25 and 50 Celsius. Once we have everything settled up, we can go here, pressing this one, start cooking. As you can see, the countdown starts for the 90 seconds we set earlier. Once this time is going to an end, around 5 seconds to 0, there will be a beep quite high, so the pizzaiolo or the staff there can check and can easily understand that the pizzas are well cooked. Another thing that we can do is, this one is not compulsory, is optional. It depends on the pizzaiolo. We can set 3 different normal speed, and of course it's up to him or them to choose between the cooking time or leaving this one 1, 2 or 3 normal speed. We do suggest to leave the RHS system between 1 and 4 and to use it at maximum or 5 only during the peak time. If it's normal, just leave it at 2. In a short time you will hear the beep. Here it is. And now the baking floor is slowing down. One last thing, the difference between this temperature and this one is always between 50 and 80 degrees. Bye. So, last thing that you have to do is to switch off the oven. Remember to switch off first. Switch off these green switches, and then the main power. The same should be done with the gas burner. First, this one. You wait 10 seconds. And then the main power. And that's it.